So welcome back again mga Lods, magandang umaga sa inyo, magandang gabi. For today video topic mga Lods ay i-share ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung mga kailangan na ID kung sakaling magsasanla kayo sa Cebuana Loiler. So ito yung mga valid ID na kakailanganin ninyo mga Lods. So start na tayo. So ayon sa Cebuana Loiler mga Lods, sabi dito. So ito mga Lods, basahin nyo na lang yan, medyo mahaba kasi. Bali, mag-proceed na tayo dito sa may click here to see complete list of acceptable IDs. So click natin yan. So dito mga Lods, makikita rin nyo yung iba't ibang klase ng valid IDs dito sa ating bansa na pwede ninyong gamitin para makapagsanla kayo o magsasanla kayo dito sa may Cebuana Loiler. So isa-isahin natin mga Lods. So una, kailangan mayroon kayong passport. So pangalawa, driver's license. Pangatlo, Professional Regulation Commission or PRC ID. Number 4, National Bureau of Investigation NBI clearance. Number 5, Police clearance. Number 6, Postal ID. Number 7, Voter's ID. Number 8, Tax Identification Number or TIN ID. Number 9, Barangay Clearance. Number 10, Government Service Insurance System or GSIS e-card. Number 11, Social Security System or SSS card. Number 12, Senior Citizens ID card. Number 13, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWA ID. Number 14, OFW ID. Tapos number 15, Seaman's Book. Number 16, Alien Certificate of Registration ACR, Immigrant Certificate of Registration. Number 17, Government Office and GOCC ID. Example, AFP, HDMF, Pag-ibig Fund IDs. So ayan. Number 18, Certification from the National Council in Disability Affairs, NCDA. Number 19, ID issued by the National Council on Disability, NCDA. So number 20, DSWD certification. Number 21, Integrated Bar of the Philippines ID. Number 22, company IDs issued by private entities or institution registered with or supervised or regulated either by the BSP, ESC or IC. So number 23, Philippine Health Insurance Card ng Bayan. Number 24, School ID signed by the principal or head of educational institution. Number 25, National ID, Philippine Identification Card or PhilID. Number 26, Philippine Identification Card PhilID issued by Philippine Statistic Authority or PSA. Number 27, Unified Multi-Purpose ID or UMID ID. So ayan mga Lods, ang kakailanganin ninyo kung sakaling magsasanla kayo dito sa may Cebuana Loiler. Kahit isa lang sa mga ID na yan mga Lods. So hanggang dito na lang tayo mga Lods. Maraming salamat at hanggang sa muli, paalam.